Hello viewers, welcome to Mauli's Kitchen. I am going to show you how to prepare pepper rasam. This is a must-try recipe in winter season. First, let's prepare pepper rasam powder. Take a mixer jar. Add 1½ spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of tur dal, 1 spoon of jeera, few garlic cloves, small piece of ginger. Grind it to powder. Pepper rasam powder is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare pepper rasam. Take a kadai. Add 2 spoons of oil. Add 2 red chilli, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, half spoon of jeera. Mix it well. Once mustard starts spluttering, add pepper rasam powder. Add few curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes in medium flame. Stir it occasionally. After 2 minutes, add 2 small sized tomato pieces and cook them completely. Once tomatoes are nicely cooked, add tamarind pulp as per your taste. Add small quantity of jaggery, which is optional. Add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per your taste. I am adding around 2 spoons of salt. Mix it well. Now add water as required, around 500 ml. Add coriander leaves and let it boil. Stir it occasionally. Once it starts boiling, keep the flame in medium and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Take it into a bowl. Hot and spicy pepper rasam is ready.